Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to see your archived cards in Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to access your archived cards or see your archived cards, you just simply have to open any of your browser that you use, and after that you just simply have to open the site of Trello.com. Then after opening the site, you just simply have to open any of the board where you have your cards archived. Then after that, just simply tap into these three dots beside share option. And after that, you will get to see archived items option. In order to see the archived cards, just simply tap into archived items and you can see all of the archived cards and list into this section. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.